Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 20 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have the wand halter with various hex keys, along with a pouch, handles, micro and large bits, and our magnet. Now let's see what's behind number 20 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the large multi-bit with the Torx number 10 and 15. Don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 21. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time in your home garage.